In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to organize your life in Asana. We'll start right from the home screen in Asana and walk through setting up a clean personal system that keeps everything in one place. First, open Asana and head to your home view. This is your launch pad where you can quickly navigate to the areas you'll use most. On the left-hand sidebar, find your team section. Click into your team area, then hover over your workspace. When you do, you'll see an option to create something new. Choose Create Project. You'll be asked how you want to start. Select Blank Project. Beginning with a blank canvas keeps things simple and lets you design a space that truly fits your life. No clutter, no assumptions. Next, give your project a clear, memorable name like Personal Life. A specific title helps your brain instantly recognize what belongs here, from errands and appointments to home projects and long-term goals. Now pick your privacy setting. If this project is just for you, set it to private so only you can see it. If you plan to share with a partner or a small group, choose a team-appropriate option. The key is to make sure sensitive or personal tasks stay where they should. Click Continue to move forward. Asana will now recommend helpful views and tools designed to make organizing easier. You'll see options like Overview, List, and Board. Overview gives you a high-level snapshot of what this project is about. List is perfect for straightforward to-dos and checklists. Board offers a Kanban-style layout with columns that make it easy to track progress visually. You'll also notice a popular section with powerful views. Gantt, often called timeline, helps you map tasks over time, spot overlaps, and understand how plans connect. Calendar lays everything out by date so you can see busy weeks at a glance. Notes are great for reference material. Think routines, checklists, or important information you don't want to lose. Workload can help you balance commitments across your schedule, especially if you juggle many responsibilities. Review these options and select the ones that match how you think and plan. You can always adjust later as your system evolves. When you're ready, click Create Project. That's it. You've set the foundation for organizing your life in Asana. From here, you can customize views, add sections, and fine-tune settings to keep everything aligned. Keep it simple, keep it clear, and let Asana do the heavy lifting of tracking and visibility so you can focus on what matters most.